Hello guys and teacher, my name is Jackson. I'm 35. I'm living alone. I don't have pets. And I'm gonna tell you about my last trip in Europe. That was a great and playful and excited trip. Uh, in my last vacation, something that I never forget. Why? Because I was in my last vacation in Europe on spring for around 25 days. All my trip was a cost between $700 and $1,000, I think so. There, I was in Madrid, to Spain's capital. That is a beautiful city full of parks and very grateful places to visit. I stayed there for around 3 days, and then I went to Geneva. That city is located in Switzerland. Okay, enjoy the best weather in Europe, but don't forget that is a Mercedes-Benz car picture that was taken in Berlin, Germany. Uh, so then I'm gonna tell you some advices if you go to Europe anytime. If you go to Madrid, it is necessary to get a fresh body lotion. It is sunny and you go on summer. It is important that you wear a sweater when you go to Brussels. There, the weather is changing constantly. It is good idea that we bring a camera when you go to Berlin. There are very beautiful places you can take a picture at any moment. It is recommended that people who visit Roma have a tourist guide who show all the city. It is good idea that they buy a multiple ticket for traveling by public transport. Besides, it is very easier and cheaper. It is recommended that you ride a bike for going around the city. It is important that you have all of documents necessary for traveling to all those countries. It is important that you drink a lot of water when you are walking up on summer. Advisor for a pleasant trip in Europe. You should go to every tourist places around the cities. You should travel on low-cost airlines when you are going country by country. You should have a tourist map where you can see where always are you. You shouldn't say lies about what is your travel intention. That is very, very important when you are in front of the immigration official. You shouldn't stay in any city without bringing money with you. And you shouldn't travel if your passport has expired. Okay guys and teacher, that's all. It's a pleasure to talk to you. Bye bye.